Welcome! Today, I'm going to show you how to hide your region from specific friends on the Facebook app using your PC following the latest update. If you've ever wanted to keep your location private from certain people without blocking them entirely, this step-by-step guide is just what you need. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of your screen and click on your profile photo. This will take you directly to your profile page. Now, you'll see several options at the top of your profile. Click on About to enter your account's detailed information section. Here, you'll find everything about your profile, including your contact info, work and education, and, of course, your region. From the list on the left, select Overview. This is where your basic information is displayed, including your current region. Next to your region, you'll notice a small audience icon. This icon controls who can see your region on your profile. Click on the audience icon. A menu will pop up showing different privacy options. To hide your region from specific friends, choose the Friends Except option. This feature allows you to share your region with all your friends except the ones you select. A list of your friends will appear. Simply scroll through and pick the friends you want to exclude from seeing your region. Once you've made your selections, click Save Changes at the bottom of the menu. That's it. Your region is now hidden from the friends you chose while remaining visible to everyone else you allow. This is a great way to control your privacy without making drastic changes to your friend list. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.